employees and employ other people. So that is the focus. And then we also say one of the pillars we are interested in is community engagement. Because we can do all that I have mentioned. If we keep it in the university, we haven't done anything. So we need to engage the community, as I said, go in there and look for the problems and come back and deal with them. And when we have done all these, we say our focus is number one. It is to improve the quality of life of the people that we serve. Once we're able to do that, then we know our mandate has been done. But we are not able to do this all by ourselves, led by our chancellor. We need partnerships. That is why we go out there and try to get partnerships, not just within the country, but also international partnerships. And that is why when we were talking earlier, as we speak, we have over 300 MOUs that we have done and been able to come into with international institutions. And Your Majesty, I'm going to repeat it, that I'm just waiting for the universities in Mswati, and then we will move from there. We want to once again thank you very much. We have prepared very well for this royal call of the university. It means so much to us and to our chancellor. Thank you. Royal Highness, again, I'm sure with all the endeavor that you have been through, you have seen this, because we are in the land of Haiti, which is very, very prominent in the history and story and the life of the Ashanti. And again, on behalf of the university, I'm going to ask you to help me to indulge you a bit, because I'm going to go right onto your shoulder. Is that very much. Thank you.
abanye vele baqheza bakubona babuye ekhaya bato yabahla ngelishwane